Utilizing the same captioning technology featured on the XLCgo-GLT, powered by the Google Live Transcribe service, additional kits are available to cover a wide range of phone systems. Built for ease of use, the GLT tablet automatically provides captions for every call through your home or business high-speed internet service. The V2T-GLT system provides a captioning solution for corded telephones, including multi-line business phones such as IP and PBX systems. The V2T-GLT connects easily to most corded telephones to caption one or both sides of the conversation. The XLCgo-GLT system provides an amplified captioning solution for cell phones and smartphones. The XLCgo amplified cellular handset provides loud and clear sound, while captioning one or both sides of the conversation through the attached GLT tablet. These GLT kits, with the XLCgo and V2T, offer additional flexibility while delivering the same easy-to-read free captions available across the GLT series. Thank you for joining Teltex to learn more about these innovative new captioning solutions.